Business process optimization methods.
Business process. Optimization involves analyzing and improving workflows to enhance efficiency and effectiveness. You would use it in your business, in your family, in your life, in your job. Read calmly each slides and take your own time. Live knowledge come in with serenity. If necessary, stop and give a visual overview in each slide mind map. At the end of each journey, visual presentation will increase your knowledge and wisdom. We appreciate your subscribe, like, and share. It doesn't have costs, and you help others to learn and ourselves to do our work. Thank you, and go to the end of the video. Business process optimization involves analyzing and improving workflows to enhance efficiency and effectiveness, and key methods include process mapping, benchmarking, and re-engineering. These techniques help identify bottlenecks, reduce costs, and improve service delivery. By focusing on continuous improvement, organizations can adapt to changing environments and maintain competitive advantage. Lean management focuses on identifying and eliminating waste to streamline operations and enhance efficiency. It emphasizes short cycles, leveraging technology, and maintaining a total quality focus. Continuous improvement is achieved by empowering people within the system to drive change and optimize processes.
Define the problem clearly to set a solid foundation. Measure current processes to gather data. Analyze this data to identify root causes. Improve by implementing solutions. Control to maintain improvements. Kaizen, or continuous improvement, ensures ongoing refinement and efficiency. This cycle is crucial for sustainable success in any organization. Kaizen, a philosophy of continuous improvement, emphasizes small, incremental changes. Its core principles include understanding customer needs, fostering transparency, and empowering employees. Visiting the Genba, or the actual place where work is done, is crucial for identifying improvement opportunities. This approach ensures processes flow smoothly, aligning with customer expectations and enhancing overall efficiency. Business process reengineering involves redesigning core business processes from scratch to achieve significant performance improvements. This often leverages new technologies. Key steps include organizing for business process reengineering, diagnosing existing processes, redesigning them, and deploying the new processes effectively. Total quality management emphasizes communication, integrating systems, and managing processes to enhance quality. Employee involvement is crucial, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. A strong customer focus ensures that products and services meet or exceed expectations, driving satisfaction and loyalty. These elements collectively contribute to a robust quality management framework. Evaluating processes and current structures is crucial for identifying inefficiencies. Constructing and implementing applications requires collaboration with clients to ensure tailored solutions. Suggestions for improvement focus on process optimization, while continuous evaluation and monitoring are essential. Agile methodology supports flexibility and rapid adaptation, enhancing project outcomes and client satisfaction. Business process management involves a systematic approach to identify, model, analyze, improve, and automate processes. Key areas include engineering, financing, organizational structure, marketing, industrial design, product development, and supply chain management. This ensures efficiency and effectiveness across all business operations, enhancing overall productivity and competitiveness. Value stream mapping is crucial for visualizing and analyzing the flow of materials and information in delivering products or services. Focus on customer demand, production processes, and distinguishing value added from non-value added activities. This helps identify areas for improvement, reduce lead time, and optimize material flow, enhancing overall efficiency and effectiveness. The theory of constraints focuses on identifying and alleviating bottlenecks to enhance throughput and efficiency. Key steps include identifying constraints, exploiting them, subordinating other processes, preventing inertia, and elevating the constraint. This approach ensures continuous improvement and optimal resource utilization, crucial for maintaining competitive advantage. Benchmarking involves comparing organizational processes and performance metrics against industry best practices or competitors. This helps identify areas for improvement. Analyze results from competitors 1 to 4, focusing on strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Evaluate performance percentages and growth rates to enhance strategic decision-making and operational efficiency. Kanban enhances workflow visualization, limits work in progress, and boosts throughput by tackling bottlenecks. It fosters efficient teamwork, flexible planning, and faster output. This approach ensures clearer focus and reduces wasted time and work, aligning with continuous improvement principles. The 5S methodology enhances workplace efficiency through 5 key steps: sort, to eliminate unnecessary items; set in order, to organize tools for easy access; shine, to maintain cleanliness; standardize, to establish consistent practices; and sustain, to ensure long-term adherence. This structured approach fosters a productive and organized environment, reducing waste and improving overall workflow. Poka-yoke or mistake proofing is crucial in preventing errors in processes. It involves 3 key strategies: prevention, detection during the process, and detection after a mistake occurs. By implementing these strategies, we can significantly reduce errors, ensuring efficiency and quality in operations. Root cause analysis is essential for identifying underlying issues in processes. Start by defining the problem and collecting relevant data. Analyze to find the root cause, then test potential solutions. Evaluate results to ensure effectiveness. Sharing findings is crucial for continuous improvement and preventing future issues. Business process outsourcing, BPO, involves delegating non-core business functions to specialized external providers. This strategy helps reduce costs and allows companies to focus on core competencies. Key services include call answering, customer support, information technology help desk, third-party verification, and telemarketing. BPO enhances efficiency and flexibility, enabling businesses to adapt swiftly to market changes. Customer demand analysis is crucial for aligning production with market needs. Continuous process improvement ensures efficiency, while flexibility and adaptability allow quick responses to changes. Supplier collaboration enhances resource management, and quality control prevents defects. Just-in-time, JIT, minimizes inventory and lead times, reducing waste and storage costs by delivering precisely when needed. Cross-functional teams unite diverse expertise from business, operations, public relations, and marketing to enhance end-to-end processes. By sharing goals, these teams foster collaboration and innovation, driving efficiency and effectiveness. Investing in sales enablement further empowers these teams to align strategies and achieve organizational objectives seamlessly. Implementing structured change management processes is crucial for smooth organizational transitions. Focus on building awareness, enhancing knowledge, fostering desire, developing ability, and ensuring reinforcement. These elements help in effectively planning, communicating, and managing changes, leading to successful adoption and minimize disruption. Workflow automation leverages technology to streamline repetitive tasks, minimizing manual intervention and enhancing efficiency. Begin by analyzing current processes to identify automation opportunities. Implement automation tools to handle routine tasks, freeing up resources for strategic activities. Continuously monitor automated workflows to ensure optimal performance and make necessary adjustments for sustained efficiency. Investing in employee training and development is crucial for optimizing processes and driving continuous improvement. Programs like free class work, in-class training, and app-based skill acquisition help mitigate challenges. Post-class assessments and work ensure growth and improvement, leading to success. Equip employees with necessary skills to enhance efficiency and productivity. Thank you.
And that's a wrap on today's video about scenario planning and analysis. Scenario planning is a strategic management tool used for forecasting by considering all important future scenarios. It involves identifying factors that directly impact a business area and forecasting their development to create potential future scenarios. If you found this helpful, imagine what you can achieve by continuing this journey with us. At VimoFin, we believe that visual learning is the fastest way to master modern personal finance, and we're here to guide you with clear, engaging, high-quality content. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and share this with someone who's building their financial future. Together, let's build a smarter, more prosperous life, one visual at a time. Thank you.